Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import contacts from your SIM card into your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Keep scrolling until you find Contacts, then tap on it. Scroll to the very bottom, and you'll find an option called Import SIM Contacts. Go ahead and tap on it. A pop-up will appear asking which account you want to import your SIM contacts into. Select your preferred account, for example, iCloud. As soon as you select it, your iPhone will start importing all the contacts stored on your SIM. Let's confirm it worked. Open the Contacts app, tap on the account you chose, like iCloud, and you'll see all your imported SIM contacts right there. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your SIM contacts to your iPhone in just a few simple steps. If found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.